Let's be honest. You opened your trading app today, you saw a setup, you took it, and it immediately went against you. You felt that tightness in your chest. You moved your stop loss because you knew it would come back. It didn't. You blew the account. Again. Why does the market hate you? It doesn't. It doesn't even know you exist. You are losing because you are fighting a war against the most dangerous enemy on earth, yourself. I know exactly what your day looks like. You wake up, motivated. You tell yourself, today I follow the plan. But then the bell rings. The candles start moving. Green, red, green, red. Your heart rate spikes. You see a massive green candle, and you FOMO in at the top. As soon as you click buy, the market tanks. Now, you're angry. You want revenge. You double your lot size to make back the loss. I just need one good trade, you say. But the market drags you deeper into the red. You stare at the screen for 6 hours, skipping meals, ignoring your family, sweating over a screen that is just taking your money. You feel stupid. You feel weak. And deep down, you're terrified that you'll never actually make it. Here is the cold, hard truth. You are not a trader right now. You are a dopamine addict. The market is designed to transfer money from the impatient to the patient, from the emotional to the disciplined. When you click that button based on a feeling, you are just a gambler in a suit. Your brain is wired for survival, not for trading. When you see red, your brain screams danger, so you panic sell. When you see green, your brain screams food, reward, so you panic buy. You are operating on primitive software in a modern warfare environment. The big banks, the algorithms, they know this. They are hunting you. They see your stop loss. They know exactly where the retail dumb money is sitting. They push the price down to scare you out, take your liquidity, and then rocket the price up without you. You are being played because you are emotional. You treat trading like a video game where you need a high score. But trading is a business where the only goal is survival. So how do you stop being the victim? You have to kill the part of you that wants excitement. Good trading should be boring. If you are having fun, you are losing money. If your heart is racing, you are over-leveraged. Rule number 1, the market owes you nothing. It doesn't care about your rent, your car payment, or your ego. Rule number 2, you need to become a robot. A robot doesn't feel hope. A robot doesn't feel fear. A robot sees a setup, executes the setup, and accepts the result. If the trade loses, fine, it's a business expense. If the trade wins, fine, it's just revenue. You need to detach your self-worth from your P&L. You feel like a king when you win and a loser when you lose. That is weakness. A professional feels exactly the same whether he makes $10,000 or loses $1,000. He follows the process. You are chasing the outcome. That is why you fail. Enough theory. Here is exactly what you need to do starting tomorrow morning to stop the bleeding. First, cut your size. You are trading way too big because you're greedy. Drop your risk to 1% per trade. If you blow an account risking 1%, you have to be wrong 100 times in a row. That is almost impossible. Second, the 2-strike rule. If you lose 2 trades in a row, you are done for the day. Close the laptop. Walk away. Go to the gym. Your psychological capital is depleted. If you keep trading after 2 losses, you are purely revenge trading. Third, stop looking at the P&L. Look at the chart. If you are staring at the dollar amount moving up and down, you are emotional. Hide the balance. Trade the candles, not the money. Listen to me. The life you want is on the other side of doing the things you don't want to do. You want the freedom, you want the cars, you want to provide for your family. Then you have to master your mind. Most people are weak. Most people will quit. They will say trading is a scam because they couldn't handle the discipline. Are you one of them? Or are you the 1%? The market is the ultimate arena. It strips you naked and shows you exactly who you are. If you are undisciplined, it destroys you. If you are disciplined, it gives you everything. The choice is yours. Stop crying about the losses. Learn from them. Stand up, dust yourself off, and act like a professional. You have the roadmap. Now you need the execution. If this video woke you up, smash the like button and subscribe. We are building an army of disciplined traders here. Don't be the liquidity, be the shark. I'll see you on the charts.